Good morning, my Triton peeps. Welcome back to the show.
We've got a packed lineup, so let's jump right in. You know him, you love him. Mr. Richard is one of our favorite history teachers.
But his talents go way beyond the classroom.
Hi, I'm Chad Richard. I'm a trivia promoter for the 99. For a long time, I worked for the 99 as a bartender, and I started running trivia nights of my own. And then after COVID hit, their contract company that they did trivia with, they lost their contract with them. And so they were kind of taking open pitches. And so kind of Shark Tank like, I came up with an idea for a trivia night, and I pitched it, and it was a lot of virtual. And eventually, after about a month or two, I got the contract, and I've been writing them ever since they restarted after COVID time. So for almost 4 years, I've been their trivia guy. Writing the questions takes me anywhere between an hour and a half to 3 or 4 hours. It just depends on the content topic. Am I in a good creative space? It's weird to think of it as I'm a content creator, but I am a content creator because those questions go out to many stores, and it does create a lot of business and generates, all that kind of stuff. So it takes longer than you would expect, but there are times where it goes fast. It depends. So if it's a topic I'm very familiar with, like say pop culture music, fast. If it's a topic that I'm maybe less familiar with, like I'm doing a round on college football championships, that could take me a little more time. Originally, it was a way to try and generate more guests to my particular shift I was working, so it was totally self-serving for money. If I'm going to be there, I want to make as much money as I can. And so that's originally the purpose, was just to get people to visit on the night I was working, and I would get on the mic and ask questions. Through the years of doing that, that's where I got this skill to kind of create. So like my questions get asked in 92 stores right now. So it's a pretty wild experience.
Triton has a very active Best Buddies program, and this month they're highlighting the many benefits of inclusion and acceptance that we should all be showing around our building.
Here's Jess and Mrs. Holland with more.
What is the Spread the Word campaign all about?
I'm glad you asked me that, Jess. Best Buddies is committed to promoting inclusion, not only at Triton High School, but we'd like to see it happen district-wide. So Spread the Word campaign is one way that we're able to do that. We've included the elementary schools, the middle school, in bringing together the awareness about inclusion, how important inclusion is to society and to people's well-being, and this is one way to do it. This year we're focusing on derogatory language and how not to use that, and how to be using inclusive language when we talk to other people, as well as trying to stamp out bullying.
Sierra, you're a buddy director. What is your favorite part of having a leadership role?
I feel like a leader.
My favorite part about being president is being able to meet everybody, getting to talk to people from different schools and different places, and then being able to go to the leadership conference. That was really fun because I got to meet a bunch of new people and got to hear what everyone else did with their chapters as well.
Has Best Buddies changed the way you view people with different abilities? If so, how?
It's changed me a lot. I didn't really know many people. It's very good for people to cooperate, work together as a group. So if you like working in a group, helping people, then Best Buddies is for you.
What is your favorite thing you've done in Best Buddies?
Probably the unified basketball.
I want to say my favorite event has to be the bowling trip and like all different events that happen at the school. Bowling was fun for me because I could hang out with all my peers, all the teachers, all the people in the school, and it's heartwarming.
If you could describe Best Buddies in 3 words, what would they be?
Fun, amazing, and creative.
Compassion, kindness, and community.
How does labeling someone without truly knowing them affect relationships and perspectives?
Overall, labeling someone would just make their self-confidence really low and make them feel really bad about themselves, and it's just not very kind to do.
Labeling people might make them feel bad.
How has being part of Best Buddies made you feel?
It's made me feel really good. I've met so many new people, and I've got to make some new friendships.
I want to say it's influenced me like over the years. It's been a couple of years over the years, so I just want to say congratulations, best buddies.
Hey Jace, do you ski?
Yes, I do.
Do you know if Sunday River is open on a Saturday? Wyatt visits often and brings us this review.
What's up guys, I'm Wyatt from VTV and today we're going to be reviewing Sunday River Ski Resort in Maine. Sunday River is one of the biggest ski resorts on the East Coast and a huge destination for many riders all skill level. In this video, I'll be breaking it down into 5 different parts to give you the most accurate review possible. First off is trails and terrain. Sunday River has over 135 trails with a variety for all skill levels. They have an abundance of easy greens and blues at South Ridge, and they have many more scattered across all peaks. Along with that, it has many black and double black runs for more experienced skiers, such as steep groomers and expert woods trails. One of the most known trails at Sunday River is White Heat, which is one of the longest and steepest trails on the East Coast. With the amount of trails and variety for everyone, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. Next is lifts. Sunday River has over 16 lifts, bringing skiers all over the mountain. Notably, they have 2 new lifts, the Barker 6 and Jordan 8, which were both high-speed bubble lifts that were recently added. While they do have many high-speed chairs that up the experience, they also have some old and slow chairs that can take forever to get to the top. But every mountain has some slow lifts, so I'm still going to give this a 9 out of 10. Next is snowmaking. Sunday River has some of the best snowmaking on the whole entire East Coast, making it a very reliable spot for good snow. They have snowmaking all over the mountain, making it very easy to open all their runs, even if they haven't had any natural snow. Good snowmaking is a key to a good mountain, so for this, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Next is hotels and lodges. Sunday River has countless lodges at the base of some of their peaks. The lodges are great for getting food and getting warm, but nothing sticks out about them. Unlike other mountains, Sunday River does not have a town-like area to hang out. And they do have some hotels, but nothing too crazy. But they do have a nice hotel over by Jordan, so I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. Lastly is accessibility. For a big Maine mountain, this is not as far as Saddleback or Sugarloaf, but you are still looking at a 3+ hour drive from Boston. There are definitely some closer resorts, but for the size, it's still pretty good. Plus, the further you drive north, the better the snow. Sunday River is still a great destination, so I'm going to have to give this a 7 out of 10 as well. My overall opinion on Sunday River is it's a great resort for all types of skiers and all ages. They have something for everyone here. It's definitely not the best of the best for the East Coast, but it's definitely up there. I would definitely recommend Sunday River for all skiers and snowboarders. Signing off from VTV, I'm Wyatt.
Triton artists across the district are hosting an art festival this Wednesday in the high school library.
Come support our talented visual artists and enjoy some sweets while you browse the exhibits.
So our first grade artists created monsters and gave them special powers or personalities. And then our high school and middle school artists chose one of the drawings by the first graders and recreated it in a variety of media.
Hi, I'm Connor Rumpf, and this is my monster. This is the Sigma monster by Rit. Its superpower is that it's sneaky. I really hope he likes it. I worked hard on it, so I really wanted to bring it to life for him.
Hi, I'm Minar, and this is my artwork, and this is the first graders' artwork. I worked hard on it, and I hope they come to see it.
So, once again, we would love for you to join us at the art show open house. There will be ice cream, there will be activities, performances from musicians at the high school level.
We would love it if you guys came to the art show. It's on March 13th. We have ice cream, music, and more. You get to see the high school's artwork as well as the rest of the districts. Come, it'll be a blast.
Well, if you don't have anywhere to be on a lonely Friday night, just stay home and try some crafts.
Here's a good one that will not only pass the time, but also add to your cute clothing collection.
Hi VTV, today Stephanie's going to teach us how to make patchwork clothing. So we were just scrolling on Pinterest for a minute and then we decided we're going to try to make the little sailboat print so we can have multiple different patterns. And yeah.
So we decided this for the bottom of the boat, and now we're just sketching out the shape. These are the rest of the colors that we're going to do for the rest of the boat.
Did you ever wonder, yeah, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? I hate that sometimes I can't go home and it just ain't the same on the phone, no, but everybody's got it.
Now we're cutting out the paper into individual pieces so it can act as a stencil to the fabric.
Just look in the mirror, no one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now, cause you gotta save yourself. Yeah, I gotta hang on, baby. The sun will come out, nothing good ever comes easy. I know times are rough.
Okay, we just finished cutting everything out and now it's time to stitch it. Okay, so me and Stephanie are doing 2 different stitches. We're going to each teach you the way we do it and you can just pick whichever one you want to do if you want to try this fun little craft.
Alright, so here's my stitch. You just have your string. Okay, and then you're going to go under, into the fabric, push it up, and then make sure this goes around. And you just pull a lot of string, and there you go. And then you just do it over and over and over again, all around.
Okay, so first you want to start by going under it, and then you just want to go over it and just choose your distance. So like, I'm like really lazy, so I'm going to do it bigger. So I'm just trying to get it closer to the side as I can, and hook it back through. And then whoa, you have a cute little stitch. Okay, so I'm gonna do Stephanie's stitch for this one just because it like frays a lot. But here's spinach products.
Do as I ask and just open your mind.
I did end up finishing it and it just came out super cute, super fun for summer. And if you want to try making one of these, go watch my tutorial. And from VTV, I'm Riley.
Thank you all for sticking around for our show.
We hope you learned something new and maybe had a laugh to brighten your day.
I'm Max.
And I'm Jace. See you next week.
Yeah, you guys gotta be quiet.
You gotta be silentio. This week on VTV, Mr. Richard tells us about his 99... Can't read. All right, we're good.
We're good. All right.
Here's Jess and Mrs. Hollins with more. Holland. Here's Jess and
Why are you guys laughing?
Oh, we gotta do this more.
Yeah.